So you can show this two way. One way with just understanding the volume, and one with the quick sketch. So first way I just want to share you this uh, how to create this volume, understand the volume. Okay, the volume understanding this way. Okay, so they are mostly focused the proportion and gesture. Okay, so only we are not see and draw. We are understand the what is the volume. Okay, it will be the two sketching. Okay, the snake, head, torso, pelvis. This is the pelvis. Okay, and here for the hand, we are researching or understanding the gesture, balance, proportion. This part is more bigger. Then torso is small, pelvis is bigger. When do this, see this part is more bigger. So this volume is more. This part is more. Uh, and here is the torso. This is the leg. The shari. This one leg is this. One leg is this. Okay. This is the anatomy. If I make this very raw anatomy, that is like this. One hand is this. Okay, this is the raw anatomy. Woman figure. This is this. Okay. Now I can go ahead to the directly sketching when you are see and draw human figure sketching. Okay, that is this is also when you are getting experience when you're creating directly drawing, then you can feel that where issues coming. Okay, this is this eyes, nose. Normally we do always like this. Alright, so but we should understand that expressions, characters, how when you are strong about the proportional perspective, volume is easy to draw. So both are practice. Okay, one is this understanding the anatomy and proportion, and same times we have to practice with the quick sketching also. Human quick sketching, the wrinkles, kapra, okay, some bag in hand, finger. This time when you're creating this realistic, you're creating this volume of bag. Okay, so both are practice. Makes few lines more darker like this. See, this is the when you're quick sketching. This is more challenging when you take the quick sketching. Is better. It's sharpener. It's a pencil sharpener was in lots of sharpener. Because legs are heel, everything is same importance giving. Where you can just little sketching, shading over here. Just legs are this direction. Leg direction is also very important. So one direction is this. So normally when I'm in a college that time I'm practicing every day the light sketching like this. Light sketching help lots to create the Okay, the heads. Okay, this way we will start.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.